Hi, this is Tips and Tricks with Stacy, and today I have a tip for you. And the tip I'm going to share with you is about Megaphone. So I'm just going to get right back into it. So I have logged into the Mac Center, and this is the home screen of the Mac Center. We're going to choose the Megaphone tile. So the first thing I want to show you is how to drive some traffic to your web pages and get some leads. So we're going to click this tile here, promote my business. So this is an ad for home valuation, and it's really cool. So the ad will say, "What's your home worth?" Which obviously is going to interest people. Like they want to know what their home's worth. So we're going to select this ad. And here's a preview of what it looks like here. Make it a little bigger so you guys can see. And then that's a clickable link to your website to get a home valuation for anybody who sees it. So we're going to say, yep, this looks good. We're going to click next. We're going to choose the distance from our office. We can choose custom 25. You can target certain areas. So if we type in our zip code here, then it'll generate. And it is for a low fee, but $10 for an ad to run on your page seems like a good deal. I know you spend a lot of money. You can end up spending a lot of money on marketing to send postcards and letters, and so it seems like a good deal to me. The second thing I want to show you, Megaphone, is really cool too. I'm going to click this. I'm going to click promote a listing. I'm using Mike West's profile, so thank you so much for letting me use it. So I just clicked on one of his listings, and if you scroll down, you'll see they have created a listing packet for you. So they have created a postcard, a brochure, a flyer. If you connect your Facebook pages, it's going to post your listings automated for free to Facebook. So it's going to post just listed, price reduced, just sold. Actually, that's a lie. Just listed, price reduced, and open houses. And that's it. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me.